Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we break down the products you're eyeing online so you know exactly what you're getting. Today, we're diving into a practical solution for anyone who owns a Vizio smart TV. We're talking about the universal remote control replacement for Vizio smart TVs. This one's from a brand called Tsinghcw, and it's been tagged as Amazon's choice, which usually means it has high ratings, solid performance, and reliable shipping. So let's find out if it actually lives up to the title. Let's start with what you see right out of the box. The remote comes in a simple, no-frills packaging. No batteries are included, so make sure you have two AAA batteries on hand. Installation is as easy as it gets. Just pop the batteries in and you're ready to go. There's absolutely no pairing, no syncing, no programming. It's a true plug-and-play experience, which is perfect for anyone who just wants a remote that works without needing to read a manual. The design is minimal and ergonomic. It's got a matte black finish and fits nicely in the hand. The buttons are well spaced, responsive, and clearly labeled. One of the key features here is the set of 6 shortcut keys. You get direct access to streaming apps like Vizio, Netflix, Prime Video, Xumo, Hulu, and Redbox. Now that's something that'll save you time, especially if you use these services regularly. However, it's important to note that this remote doesn't have voice functionality, so if you're used to talking to your TV, this might feel like a downgrade. But if you're replacing a broken remote or just looking for something simple, this gets the job done. In terms of compatibility, this remote is pretty impressive. It also replaces a bunch of other Vizio remote models. So if you've got multiple Vizio TVs at home, this could be a one-remote solution. Functionally, it delivers a reliable and responsive user experience. Button presses register instantly, there's no noticeable lag, and it seems to have a good range. You can control the TV from across the room without needing to point directly at the sensor. The build quality is decent too. It doesn't feel cheap or flimsy, and while it's lightweight, it still has enough heft to feel sturdy in your hand. Tsinghcw also throws in a 1-year after-sale service promise, which adds some peace of mind. If you run into any issues, they claim to respond within 10 hours. That's a nice touch, especially considering this is a third-party remote. To wrap this up, the universal remote control replacement for Vizio smart TVs is a great low-cost, no-hassle solution. It skips the bells and whistles like voice control, but nails the basics: compatibility, ease of use, and convenience. If your original Vizio remote broke, got lost, or just stopped working, this is a solid replacement. For less than the cost of dinner, you're getting a tool that keeps your home entertainment running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more hands-on reviews, and drop a comment if you've tried this remote or have other products you'd like us to review. This is Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next one.